This is a poem that was part of a challenge I gave myself to write something in one sentence. And I find that just as often as I'm led by content, I'm led by the challenges of form. Sometimes more so when I feel like I've written everything I can possibly think to write about the things that I'm interested in. Civilization. You know that thing where you're someone's wife? And you're out someplace with faces, and suddenly you're shaking with the room's potential for kindness or cruelty, while also finally understanding the tragedy of the dinner party. Its reliance on food and talking, and how they both have to happen with the same whole. And this is a joke, both the truth and the awareness of the truth, and also humanness, how it happens just in one body for each of us. And there's no board to go to, should you wish to dispute the results, the where and when of this you. So you leave to the bathroom when the flan is served, and there is someone else's wife already there, smoking a cigarette she found in the host's son's room. And when you put your lips to where her lips have been, and inhale sharply the tar, you know she is barely in her body too. The heat of disappointment doing the deep valley of her philtrum. So what can you do but press your sweatered chest together, letting her heart murmur to yours its own meaty I ams, your twin drums announcing the coming war, the kind of war where you must shelter from yourself in someone else. So you lean in together, your linea nigras humming into the other, seaming you into one. And when you kiss each of her tears, you swallow the memory of their making. The quiet bed, the uterine collapse, the daughter whittled down to bone. And then her lips take you in, blackbirds moving in the field like a churning night. And you know how as this is happening, you make a choice, and how thinking gives it shape. A pearl your longing has made, you rolling it with your tongue against your expensed teeth so that the choice becomes a secret. And when a husband knocks on the door to see how one of you are, you separate, each wife holding in her mouth what she has seen, what she has chosen, and swallows.